Why Utah courts don't appoint lawyers in divorce cases. If you're getting divorced in Utah and think the court will give you a lawyer, stop right there. That's not how it works. Divorce isn't a criminal case, it's a civil matter, which means the court isn't threatening to throw you in jail, so you don't get a court-appointed lawyer. Even if your home, your finances, or your kids are all on the line, you don't get an appointed lawyer in a divorce case. Now, there are a few rare exceptions in other domestic relations situations, like when the state is trying to terminate parental rights or in certain child welfare cases where DCFS is involved. But in a regular divorce or custody case, you're on your own unless you can afford a lawyer or find one willing to help you for free. You can represent yourself, though. That's called appearing pro se. Utah courts even have online forums and guides for that. But here's the hard truth. Self-representation sounds better than it really is. You'll be expected to follow every Utah rule of civil procedure and every deadline and every hearing procedure just like an attorney would. And the judge or court clerk can't help you with strategy or advice. Worse, many judges subconsciously assume that people without lawyers are either unreasonable, unprepared, crazy, or all three. So even if you do your homework, you'll still be fighting uphill battles against bias, red tape, and procedure. Most people representing themselves don't fail because they're careless. They fail because they don't know what they don't know. They miss filing deadlines, they misunderstand the rules of evidence, or don't preserve issues for appeal properly, if at all. And when one side has a lawyer and the other doesn't, the playing field isn't level, no matter how fair everyone may try to be, and that doesn't usually happen. So if you have got to go it alone, prepare like your life depends on it, because parts of it do. Read the rules, use the online resources, get limited scope help from a lawyer if you can. Even 1 hour with a good lawyer can save you from a bad mistake. Utah courts aren't going to appoint you a lawyer in a divorce case. That's not neglect, that's just how the system is built. Go in with your eyes open.